again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got something really exciting today, something I've never seen before in my life. So Modelones has sent me a little package over with a few little bits to try. The star of the show is this. So this is a brand new release from Modelones, and it is a nail lamp. So I don't know if any of you have saw the mini Meow lamp that Modelones do. If I can, I'll leave a picture up on the screen. I haven't got one with me to show you. But yeah, they do a little miniature lamp and it's called the Meow lamp. So they've brought out the mother Meow lamp. I'm just going to get it open and show you guys because this is amazing. So it's flexible and effective. It's got 3 timer settings. It's UV and LED and it's got 33 powerful beads. I don't know why I said beads like that. Just because I'm so excited. Daft things come out of my mouth. Look at all the cute little paw prints. Ah! Right, we've got some cute little packaging. Modelones S Meow nail lamp. I'm not sure what the S stands for, but yeah. Anyway, look at this. Oh my gosh. Right, so unfortunately mine has come with a US plug. It's not a problem for me personally. It doesn't bother me. I've got plenty of adapters, but I would imagine if you order it, it'll come with the correct plug for where you live. But mine was sent as PR directly from Modelones, so they've obviously not thought she's in the UK. So let's just get this out. Right, so firstly, which I love, it's got a gooseneck, so you can bend it where it's quite big as well, so you can bend it wherever you want. So like this would make the perfect little gel X, because you're completely free to hold it wherever you want. You're not restricted. So look at all these lights as well. Look at these little rubber paw prints. I thought they were buttons, but they're not. Right, let me just plug this in, guys. Right, I don't know if you're going to see it. It looks like it's flashing on camera, but it's not. That's just my camera that makes it do that. So we've got 15 seconds. Let's just press it. Look at these lights. Oh my gosh, I can feel the heat. These are powerful little lights. Then we've got 30 seconds and we've got 60 seconds. Yeah, it looks like it's flashing, but that's my camera what's doing that. Right, so if you want 30, you press 30, and to turn it off, you just click it again. Oh wow, this is so nice. And you can literally bend it into whatever direction you want. Do you know what I'm going to use this for quite a lot? Is my practice hand. I absolutely hate when I'm using my practice hand having to keep taking it off the stand to put it in my big lamp, whereas this I can keep it off to the side, and when I'm ready to cure my hand I can just hold it over my practice hand. I don't have to keep taking it on and off. I could even keep it behind my hand like that, have my practice hand here like I normally do, and when I'm ready to cure it, just pull it over the top of my practice hand. This is going to be fantastic. I love it. And yeah, for gel X method, perfect. Hold your nail on, put it under. And because the buttons are there, you can press it whilst you're under there quite easily. Wow. Guys, these are hot. This feels like a powerful little lamp. That is so adorable. I love it. So cute. I did see pictures of it and I was expecting it to be a little thing, but it's not. It's actually quite big. Right, so shall we have a quick look at what else they've sent? So I think to go with the lamp, they've sent over, this is a big bottle, 15ml. So this is their 4-in-1 nail glue gel. So this is for when you're doing gel X method. And theirs is a 4-in-1, which means it can be used as a base coat, an extension gel. You can use it for the gel X method and just like a reinforcement gel to go over your natural nails to give them some strength. There's the ingredients if anybody wants to see. That is a big bottle. Nice thick gel. I do prefer my glue gels to be a bit thicker. So we've got a bottle of that. We've got nail tips. So we have got soft gel tips, long coffin, 500, 10 sizes. So this is nice because this is the length and shape I like to wear, as you can see. Whenever I do lazy girl method and stuff like that, gel X method on my own nails, I do prefer long coffin, and that's what tips they've sent over. That's either a coincidence or they've learnt what my preferences are, because I didn't tell them. Right, so these are pre-etched inside, which saves so much time. I do like that. And yeah, they're just a nice long coffin shape. I like them. Nice and thin and flexible at the cuticle area. And then they're quite stiff towards the tip. They do look like nice tips. I like them. Wow, that is a jam-packed box of tips, isn't it? 500. So I can't tell you what the zero's like just yet because I've got nails on. Yeah, it just looks like your standard size zero that you get in all these kits. So I think they've got lots of other shape tips to choose from as well. I like this packaging. Very nice. So I'm really happy with them tips. Really happy. I can't wait to use them. I'll leave links to everything today, guys, in my description box, and I've got a discount code. I'll leave that in my description box as well. Right, and lastly we have got a pack of gel polish. Now I don't know what colours we've got. I haven't got a clue, but I think we'll give them a quick swatch here because I'm not really doing any nails today in this video, so we might as well give them a swatch. Right, so it looks like it might be a nudie kind of set. Let me get some swatch sticks out, guys. Right, so yeah, it looks like it's a bit of a nudie kind of gel polish set. So we've got your standard Modelones bottles with the little window. These are 7ml. So I think these are all available to purchase separately. They've all got numbers on the top. So 1897. I am going to give these a quick swatch. So this looks like a bit of a sheer colour. I like that. That looks nice. And then we've got 0528. So this is a, I don't know, like a pale yellowy beige kind of colour. And then 1761. Looks like it's got a beautiful, oh, look at this for autumn. That's very pretty. That's a really unusual gel, isn't it? I like that. Then 0817. Oh, that's a nice colour. I like that. 0998. So that's kind of a pale brown. It's got a slight pinky rosy tone to it, but mostly a pale brown. And 0936 just looks like a standard tree trunk kind of brown. Yeah, it's just a dark chocolate. Just looks like melted chocolate, doesn't it? It really does. Right, guys, I am just gonna stick some music on and swatch these quickly. I'm actually gonna stick them under this lamp. I'm gonna bring the lamp right down low like that, because you can. Perfect. I like this lamp. This is so versatile. So versatile. I love it. And it feels like it's more than powerful enough to not just be using as a flash cure lamp, but for fully curing polygels and stuff. I think it's going to be fantastic. So yeah, I'm bringing it right down low. Right, I'm going to stick some music on, guys, and just fly through these gels quickly. So let's start with 1897. I'm going to bring you in just a bit as well. Right, guys, I'm going to turn that lamp off and I'm going to cure them all in one go at the end, just because the colour of the lamp is changing the colour of these gels and I can't show you. So I'm just going to stick them all under the lamp like that, and I'll cure them all in one go at the end. Right, let's get on with it. 1761. Right, so I'm just going to get these lined up and I'm just going to stick them all on. I'm going to stick them on for 60 seconds just so I can be sure that it's cured down all the sides. But I'm well impressed with this little lamp. I love it. Right, so I am just going to take this one from the edge. Just going to wipe the tacky layer off it just so I can make sure it's fully cured. Yeah, that's fully cured. That lamp is so cute. I love it. Right, guys, I'm just going to get all these top coated and then I can show you a bit better. Right, guys, that is them all swatched. I mean, I think they're quite fitting for this time of year, aren't they? They're not your standard orange, brown, burnt orange type of autumn colours. I like this one. This is like a really, really pale, milky, like milky, creamy colour. I do like that, and that's just one coat. So if you wanted full creamy coverage, I think another coat and you'd get that, because it is slightly transparent, but that's what it's intended to be. All these are just one coat. Even the shimmery one is just one coat. Another coat of that, again, you'd get full coverage. I like all of them. Even the brown, it's your perfect chocolate brown, isn't it? I think the only one I'm not that keen on and I probably wouldn't use is this. Maybe if I needed a pale yellow, I'd use it as something like that. But I really like this one. I do like that one on my own skin tone. I do like these kind of colours on my own nails. I think it's a really nice kit for this time of year. I mean, this one and this one and this one all year round. Yeah, I am quite impressed with everything that I've got in today's little package, actually. I will definitely have a play with these nail tips and glue gel at some point, but I think definitely today, this is a star of the show. This is definitely going to be handy, like I said earlier, using with my practice hand. I can just keep it out the way at the back and then bend it over the top of my practice hand, because taking my practice hand on and off that clamp, especially when I'm just curing one nail at a time, it gets quite time consuming and it wastes a lot of time. And yeah, I've never seen anything like it. I love the little skinny gooseneck and the heat that comes off these lights. It's definitely got some power to it. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Everything I've shown you here will be in my description box. I think I've got a 10% discount code. I'm not sure how much the discount code's for, but I'll leave it all in my description box below. I'll leave a direct link to everything for the website, and if any of this is available on Amazon, I'll leave the Amazon links as well, because a lot of times Modelones stuff is on Amazon as well. But everywhere these are available, I will leave links below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.